Service penetrations from utilities are primary termite pathways, so treat and seal them during post-construction termite treatment. Start by identifying every service entry, including electrical conduit, plumbing pipes, gas lines, and communication cables where they penetrate foundations, slabs, or exterior walls. For each penetration, apply a labeled liquid termiticide into the trench or void around the service line using a rotting tool that reaches the soil adjacent to the foundation line. Probe at an angle to get product beneath the slab edge and around the pipe circumference. Where conduits or junctions sit in backfill, trench and rod the soil, and then backfill tightly to restore contact between treated soil and foundation. Always follow product label for application rate and re-entry intervals. After chemical treatment, mechanically seal penetrations with tight-fitting metal collars or conduit hubs and complete the joint with exterior-grade caulk applied to form a continuous barrier against termite entry and moisture. Where airflow or drainage must be preserved, install fine stainless steel mesh sized to block subterranean termites and secure it into the penetration before sealing. Cut the mesh to wrap around the service and fasten so the mesh cannot be pulled away. Finally, document every treated penetration with photos, measurements, and notes on product used and rotting depth so future inspections can verify integrity and treatment history. Common mistakes are rotting too shallow, leaving untreated soil under the slab, which you avoid by using an angled rotting technique and probing until resistance indicates you are adjacent to the footing. Retreat any suspect areas. Relying only on caulk or paint as a barrier fails because those materials can crack or weather, so pair mechanical collars or mesh with chemical treatment and inspect seals annually. Forgetting to record treated penetrations causes ambiguity on later inspections, so photograph each penetration, note depth and chemical product, and store records with the property file. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like utility entry termite treatment and helps people locate local professionals experienced with both chemical and mechanical entry treatments. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share techniques, ask questions, and compare approaches to sealing and protecting service penetrations.